So now we're going to do some examples with our test score of 80 with a standard deviation of 3. First question, what percent of grades are less than 74? Now I'm going to use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule because all of the grades, the 74, 77, and then down here 83 and 89, are multiples of standard deviations. Since they fall on whole number standard deviations, I can use that 68, 95, 99.7 rule. First question, what percent of grades are less than 74? That means I'm looking at 74 and I want to find what's over in this area. Right? If I look at the sheet we had come up with last time, 74 is here. Everything less than it is the 2.35 and the 0.15. So the percent that's less than 74 is 2.35 plus 0.15, which is 2.5%. All right, so all of this in the pink here is 2.5% of all of the grades. Next, we'll look at the second question. What percent of grades are greater than 77%? So on here, we're looking at the 77, and I want to know all of this. Okay. Again, if we go back to the sheet we had before, greater than 77, well, that's this 34, this 34, this 13.5, the 2.35, and the 0.15. So that's going to be 34 plus 34 plus 13.5 plus 2.35 plus 0.15. So what have we got? 68 plus 13.5 plus 2.5. That's 16 plus 68, which gives us 84. So 84% of the grades are greater than a 77. Lastly, what percent of grades are between 83 and 89? So on here, I've got my 83 here, 89 here. So I want this area here. To find my percent of grades using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, I'll go back to this sheet we constructed last time. You'll see between 83 and 89, that's the 13.5 and the 2.35. So here, we're looking at 13.5 plus 2.35, which is 15.85%. Again, this is very useful to use the 68, 95, 99.7 rule if the percents that we're looking at, if the values are nice multiples of the standard deviations.